Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Father Food and Finance. It's your boy Chef Boyardee and Baby Ro. Today I'll be making for my family honey roasted chicken, truffle mac and cheese, and steamed broccoli. I'm gonna pass Ron off to his mom and we can get right to it. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back with libations. Introduction of myself. My name is Chef Boyardee. I am a 28-year-old father, also an accountant, who also is a self-proclaimed chef. Not to brag or anything, I did go to culinary high school, but today I'm going to share with you a financial tip, and right here at the bottom of the screen I'm going to drop a Bible verse. Definitely take the time to look up this verse and share it with your family. I love to start with the meats first. Reason being is it takes the most time to make the meat. So once I get the chicken in the oven, it'll then allow me to start preparing all the vegetables and the mac and cheese, which does not take a lot of time, you'll see. And get everything else like prepared while the chicken is cooking, maybe like an hour, hour and a half. And yeah, so let's go back to, let me show you how I usually prepare like my chicken. I already cleaned it just to save some time. I just used some vinegar, water, let it sit in there for a few seconds. I'm gonna put butter underneath the skin. But gonna throw it in here. So yeah, so are there any dads out there that have trouble putting their kids to sleep? Drop a comment below. Today was my first day putting Rowan to sleep, and trust me, it was not easy. Because he's breastfed, he often just like he's almost a year right now. He often like still relies on like his mom for like nursing, but she's getting ready to go back to work soon. So we've been trying to like sleep train him. Let me tell you, any parent out there know that sleep training is not easy. So this is get a focus right there. This is another staple. This will have the chicken taste in. Perfect. Fresh parsley, some fresh thyme, and some fresh rosemary. Right now, I'm about to take these fresh herbs, and instead of cutting it up, it'll save me some time, so I'm just gonna stick it in the inside of the chicken, just like this. financiers. Financiers. What does that even mean? Food and finance to person? Whatever that means, but whatever. I want to give my fatherhood financiers some strategies that can save them on time, patience, and you'll have more family time. All right, let's get right into it. So my first strategy that I want to recommend taking is making a budget. Now, the reason why I usually make a budget is that when I go to the grocery store, there's so much unnecessary things that I pick up. This way, when I make a budget, I usually take out cash from the ATM beforehand, and this allows me to stay focused with what I came in the grocery store to get. So that's the first thing that I can recommend. Get a budget and follow that budget. Second strategy that I want to recommend is making a menu. Now, personally, I have put together an Excel spreadsheet that break down certain recipes. And every week, I'll look at that Excel spreadsheet and I'll be able to pick items that I want to eat for that week. And once I have that list together, it'll make me going grocery shopping a lot easier. I'll be able to show you a little bit later on of what that list looks like. But right now, I just want to say, for the second strategy is to make a menu for the week and then go to the grocery store. I promise you, it'll save you a lot of time. Third strategy that I want to recommend is switching brands. Now, this one will save you on cost. Let's say you're at the end of your list and you really might not reach your budget. This would be a good opportunity to try a few new brands that you would not try otherwise. Now, if you want to buy seasonings or something like ketchup, mustard, it's okay to buy the store brand because typically those all taste the same anyway, All right, so for all my financiers, I hope you guys were able to find this helpful. I want to wrap this up. So 1, I want to recommend to make a budget. 2, I want to recommend that you make a menu. 3, I want to make sure that you aren't afraid to switch things up on that menu to save some money. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this time with fatherhood, food, and finance. I look forward to seeing you guys for the next video. Hit a subscribe, hit a like. All right, I'll see you guys later.